Hey, what's up guys? It's Ariana. I feel like everyone's been doing this because we're all kind of like stuck inside, but it's time to do a long overdue closet declutter, clean out, rejig, switch over, whatever you want to call it. If you've seen my last declutter video, then you know I like to do kind of like a seasonal, it's not really like a capsule, but like a seasonal wardrobe where I store away the last season stuff and only have like the current season things in my wardrobe. It's been hitting up to like 80 degrees here already, so it's time to bring out all of that spring and summer stuff I have in storage and put away those like chunky sweaters and stuff that I know I'm not gonna wear, as well as pull out some stuff that I haven't been wearing that I can pass on to other people. So this is kind of what my closet looks like right now. It's like stuffed to the brim. I've like run out of hangers and you can see everything is just kind of jumbled up. There's no real organization. I already have some of the spring stuff in here, but definitely still have fall and winter as well. So I feel like the best plan of action is going to be take everything out, put it all in one place, and then go through, sort out the things that I want to get rid of before storing away what's fall and winter. And then I'll take out all the spring summer stuff and also go through that to see if there's anything that I'm not really excited to wear this season, because I feel like there's things in there that I've just forgotten about and not really sure what's in there. So wow. I feel like you never really realize how many clothes you have until you put it all in one place. That doesn't even like really give it just, hold on, let me show you. I mean, do y'all see this? This is out of hand. I brought everything out here to the living room because this is where I get the most light. But what I'm going to do is go through everything. I'm going to take out everything that I know that I'm probably not going to wear so that I can pass it on. I may have a pile for like possibly selling and then also just donating. So I'll also have a pile of things that I know will be for fall and winter next year, so I can put those into storage. This is like one of those moments where it's such an intimidating pile, you don't really know where to start. Okay, let's just jump in. So right off the bat, these are just sweaters that are too thick that I know will go into storage for next year. Love these, but right now I would sweat to death outside if I tried to wear them. So those are going into storage. I have several of these kind of like midi and flowy skirts, like the silk skirt, and these will be perfect for spring and summer, so those for sure will stay in my closet. Another sweater that I love that I'm not going to wear right now, so I'll put that away. These ones are just like sweatshirts that, you know, aren't super warm, so I think I'm just going to keep those in the closet for now. A little thrifted denim overall shorts, definitely keeping those. This red flannel, I think I'm going to put this into storage. I don't think I really want to wear this in the spring and summer. Keep the big dress, definitely keeping that. Cute basic top that goes with everything, keeping that. This is like a little short sleeve mock neck. I've worn this a couple times, but I finally found a legit long sleeve white mock neck that I thrifted, so that will replace this one because I just don't love the way that this one fit as much as that, so that can be donated. This is also kind of a cute basic white top, but it is long sleeve and kind of a little bit thicker, so I'm not too sure that I'll get much wear out of this one for the spring summer, so I'll put that in storage. Another chunky sweater. Actually, both of these will go back into storage. Love these. They're probably one of my favorite blazers that I own. It's just perfectly oversized. I'm definitely keeping that, and I think it could work for spring and summer maybe if I want something, you know, outerwear wise. This one, I think I'm gonna get rid of this. I just don't wear this as much. Even though I love the color of it, it's just kind of too plain and don't find myself reaching for it. I've been holding on to this just long black cardigan just because it's a good basic, but I really need to replace this with another one because this one's falling apart. But until then, I will keep it. This is another blazer that I love that's vintage that I thrifted. This one feels a little more fall winter to me though, so I'm gonna put this one away. This one's also kind of fall and winter to me, I think, and I wear it a lot, so I think I'm gonna give it a break. Okay, this one I love the color of, and it is cropped, but I feel like every single time I try to wear it, I don't love it. So I'm gonna part with that one. Camel blazer I made, so I'm never parting with this one ever, even if it doesn't fit me. It does still fit me though, but I think I'm gonna put it away though, because it is pretty thick. This one is pretty fall and winter also, but I just always want to have this around to where I can grab it. The little top that I DIY'd. I pulled this one out of storage early because it was getting warm and I really wanted it for an outfit, so that's why it's already out. Good denim jacket and nice cardigan. Keep those. And then these are some recent things that I thrifted as well that I'm keeping. This one I haven't really worn as much recently because it is kind of dark. For fall and winter I feel like it's perfect, but I think I'll hold on to it for next season and see if I want to wear it then before I part with it. I ended up moving my keep pile over here. Just keep going. These are two beautiful silk wrap skirts that I got kindly gifted from the Good Soul. They are made out of recycled silk saris, and they're reversible, and there are so many different ways you can wear them. I'm definitely going to be styling these for spring and summer. I have a couple of these little formal dresses that I'm gonna keep and hold on to in my closet just for the occasions. This one I've held on to for a little while just to see if I'll wear it, and I haven't, so I think I'm gonna part with this one. Kind of a more holiday dress, so I'm gonna put this into storage. This one I really want to like, but it's just a little too big, so it doesn't really work. So because the strap's hanging down so low. I love the style of it, but okay, so there's quite a bit that I'm actually keeping, and then this is all stuff that's going into storage. I may, as I put them away, just kind of go through one more time and just decide. This is all stuff that I'm getting rid of. There's quite a bit underneath there as well, and I may try to sell a few of those things. We'll see. I don't know if anyone's gonna want them. Wow, it's really bright. And then also these might just get donated. But I did free up a whole bunch of hangers, so I did some progress. Things did happen, I promise. And yeah. Okay, so this is my underbed storage that I put away all of the off-season stuff in. So I'm gonna go through all of the spring and summer stuff, and then I will fold up and pack away the winter and fall things. Okay, so that's all the fall winter stuff put away here. I stacked up and like lightly folded some of the blazers and coats just so that they don't get super wrinkly, and just put them on top. That'll go under the bed, and then these will be hung up. Okay, so it's actually the next day because I got extremely exhausted and was wore out by the end of that. So I did put everything back in here, and this is kind of how it's looking so far. I do feel like I freed up a lot of hangers. I may just like go through once more and kind of cull through a little bit of things that I feel like I'm probably not gonna wear as much, or I don't absolutely love whenever I hold on to it. The next task is to go through this little organizer. They're really just like undergarments and things like that, so not super interesting, so I'm just gonna go through that quickly. And then we will tackle these top bins here, as well as changing out the shoes. Okay, so I'm bringing all my baskets down. I think some of them just kind of have like my more summer bags. And then this bin has like all of my winter items that I just kept up there at the top just because I didn't really have a place to put it, so that I could grab whenever I needed it. So that's just gonna go back up there, stay the way it is. I am gonna bring this little silk scarf down I had in there that I forgot about because it was hiding away. So I think this is a cute item that I could style up for spring and summer. So I thrifted this one, super cute. So I'm gonna keep that somewhere where I will see it. So I'm definitely gonna take out these little summer bags to have them to grab easily. And now while we're doing bags, I think I'm gonna go through, there's a whole bin back here full of purses and bags that I really just need to go through and kind of sort out. So we'll do that next. Okay, so that's currently the bag situation. Not the most ideal setup, but it is what it is for now. And then these are the bags that I'm gonna put away for winter, and I'll just put it in a basket or something and up at the top. Alright guys, so that's everything. I finally switched over to spring summer. I'm ready to wear all these bright colors. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. And of course, if you want to see any of my styled outfits with these thrifted items, then head over to my Instagram. That's where I post all of those. Oh, and then be sure to subscribe because I do have a thrift flip coming up that I'm really excited about. Some of these spring things that I picked up that need to be fixed up. So that'll be coming soon. But yeah, hope you guys are doing well. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!